Operation steps of carbon black content tester. First of all, this is our power button. We can turn on the power cord normally. And here is one of our gas installations, connected accordingly to the corresponding gas cylinder. We have prepared 2 gas cables here. And here's one of our thermocouples. On the right is intake, and on the left is outlet. First, we have to put the furnace body, load it into our equipment. We need to leave about 8 millimeters on this end. Then the 4 screws on the side. The prepared trachea is connected here. Connect to the rear air intake. It's one of our on-screen interfaces. We need to adjust a gas flow first. We normally click on the nitrogen, perform a flow adjustment, then click on the oxygen, perform a flow adjustment. Then we first need to make a parameter setting. Click. And you can see there are 4 sections here. Our normal first paragraph should be 350 degrees. This is a touch screen. You can enter a target temperature. Then the back is normal 450 degrees, 550 degrees, 600 degrees. It may be fired according to different requirements, or 650 degrees, or 900 degrees, or something like that. Change. Here's the heating rate. Normally for the first paragraph, use a heating rate of 30. It rises about 30 degrees a minute. Fast rise to a 350 degree. Then the following words are normal 20. 2 tens are normal in the back, and the last one is a thermostatic time. The third paragraph on our side. This is the third section through nitrogen. There will be a 30 minutes constant temperature. This is the first crack. You can choose different constant temperature time, normally 30 minutes. Then for the fourth paragraph, we will have a 45 minutes. It's a cracking time with oxygen. Give the ash a full burn. And then this last one. The gas on our side. The first 3 stages must be selected as nitrogen. The last paragraph is to perform an oxygenated full combustion, pyrolysis. Then we click Save. Normally, 4 paragraphs can be saved. It's our burning boat, the quartz boat. Here are our samples. First, we need to weigh the incendiary boat. If it is this side, we are normal. If it is 7 grams, we normally need to pressure a sample of 1 gram. So we will have 4 weights, M0, M1, M2, and M3. M0 is the mass of the empty burning boat. M1 is the total mass of the combustion boat plus the sample. If 1 gram of sample is 8 grams, then M2 is at 550 degrees, the first time you crack a weight. M3 is a mass of the last burning residue. First of all, we must first, our incendiary boat is sent into our furnace body. Seal the furnace body. Install the exhaust gas treatment device. This end can be discharged outdoors normally. Gas treatment of exhaust gas. After checking the parameters, there is no problem. Just click the button here. Here is our temperature parameter interface. A real-time temperature here, a phase gas time, etc. When our temperature rises to 550 degrees, there is a constant temperature here for 30 minutes. In about 10 minutes, can take our test sample out. When we taking it out, we are going to put it in this bottle first. Wait 2 to 3 minutes before taking it out completely. Let's stand normally for 10 minutes. Weigh this incendiary boat and sample. This is also a mass of M2. Then push the sample back. Run to the inside of the furnace body for a combustion of the fourth stage. Period. When the temperature reaches 900 degrees on our fourth section, 45 minutes of oxygenated pyrolysis combustion, normally 45 minutes, in about 20 minutes. You can take our sample out again. Take it out and let it stand here for about 2 or 3 minutes. 10 minutes of complete rest, because if you take it out suddenly, it may burn suddenly. And then we weigh it again. This moment is also a mass of our M3. If we have M2 here, it is 7.8. M3 is 7.5, and then we go in turn. Fill these weights into the one of our equipment. Parameter calculation here. If this is 7, this is 8. Here is the mass of 7.8. Here is 7.5 mass. Click to calculate. We'll show one of its carbon black contents with one of its ash content.